Hello everyone, I am Punavora and we are beginning with the series on Question of the Week in Statistics meant for class 11. For this week, the question is about statistics and economics. You have been given two statements, one assertion and the other reason, and four options. Read the statements carefully and pick up the correct option out of the four options as given. Assertion statement is statistics is crucial for effective economic planning. Reason given is statistics helps in organizing and presenting data in a purely factual way using tables, charts, or graphs. Four options are option A, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion statement. B, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C, if assertion is true, reason is false. And D, assertion is false, but reason is true. Please check your answer. The correct answer is option B. Assertion statement is true. Statistics is indeed crucial for effective economic planning as it provides the necessary data and analysis required for setting targets and making informed decisions. Reason is also true. That is, statistics helps in organizing and presenting data in a purely factual way using tables, charts, or graphs. Both are true, but the reason does not directly support the assertion. While organizing and presenting data, it is an important function of statistics, but it does not fully explain why statistics is crucial for effective economic planning. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.